Why does my hair look ridiculous? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So some of you probably already know this, but the other day I put up a poll on Instagram whether or not people wanted to see a no makeup look, or if you wanted to see a makeup do's and don'ts look. So obviously I got more looks for the no makeup look. If you guys haven't already been able to tell it, if you haven't already read the title, this is a no makeup look. So obviously that's what I've done today, but if you guys did vote for the makeup do's and don'ts, don't worry about that. I will be getting to it. I already intended on doing that video. Honestly, that poll was just to like decide which one I should do first. So that's why I've done this one today, but I will be getting to that soon. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, if you guys like this video and if you haven't already wanted to pull your hair out by the amount that I speak, then first of all, good for you. Second of all, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that way you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. So the first step to any kind of dewy look is hydration. And honestly, this is like it for any kind of makeup. Like any makeup you do, even if you're looking for a matte finish, before you put on any makeup, I would always suggest to hydrate your face, put on some moisturizer. So for this look, I actually got one of these little samples that you get sometimes with Sephora. I don't know if I used my points on this or if I got like a sample. I don't remember. But so this is the Glam Glow Starter moisturizer. I haven't tried Glam Glow at all, but like obviously I've heard about it with like the glitter mask and everything. This is apparently their moisturizer, and it's perfect for this look because it's actually illuminating. So this is in the color Nude Glow. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's not really anything. I don't know if it's meant to be tinted, but like it really is just like a moisturizer. It's like nothing special. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. So this moisturizer actually is like supposed to be illuminating, so it does kind of have like a little bit of sparkle. It's not very noticeable from far away. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but my face is definitely a lot more shiny. Not too shiny because you never want to be like really shiny, but yeah. So I just finished applying my moisturizer, and now I'm going to go in with an eye cream, and I'm going to put this right underneath my eyes. Since this is a very like low maintenance makeup look, I would recommend putting on some sort of eye cream because you're not going to be covering up those dark circles with like heavy foundation, heavy concealer, heavy everything. So putting it on an eye cream would be really beneficial, especially for this look. What I'm using today is the Laneige Water Bank Eye Gel. And I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes and kind of go in like a triangular shape like I usually do for my concealer. This isn't going to act as a concealer obviously, but it's supposed to like reduce like puffiness of your eyes and like make it a little bit more clean and hydrated throughout the day. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my actual makeup. So usually I put on like a tinted primer. And honestly, that's not even that heavy. Like I never really put on heavy foundation. For today, I'm even going to go one step lower, and I'm just using concealer. I'm picking up my Nars Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. Honestly, I should probably know the names of my concealers by now, but I don't. So, whatever. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of that, and I'm just going to apply it on the inside of where I usually put it. So I'm only putting it towards the inner part of my eye. I'm not going to go out like over here like I usually do. I'm just going to keep it on the inner corner. That's usually where most of the darkness occurs anyway. So I'm going to put some, I have like a little, I'd never really get acne, but like I have this tiny little pimple right here. And it's being very stubborn recently. So I'm just going to put some over there, around my mouth, a little bit under the nose, and then just a little bit on the tip of the nose. So this is all I'm going to do coverage wise. I'm not putting on any kind of foundation, no more concealer. Yeah, so once I blend it out, this is all I'm doing for coverage. So now I'm going to go in and just set some of that concealer. You can honestly use any sort of setting powder. It's not like I'm going to be baking my face. I'm just going to be wisping on a little bit of powder just to like keep that from going into the wrinkles or like setting into my setting into and creasing. This is really important. Even for a no makeup look, you do need to set your concealer. Otherwise it will crease in your in your fine lines, and it'll just look bad by the end of the day. So this is just a good way of like keeping all of your makeup in one place for throughout the day. What I'm doing next is I'm picking up my blush, my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is like kind of a bright pink, so I'm only going to be taking a little bit, tapping it out, and applying it on my cheekbones. So now I'm going to go in with the actual illuminator. This is what's going to make my face look very dewy. I'm going to be going in with my Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the color Moonlight. And I'm going to be applying that in the areas that I usually put the highlighter. Since this is like a wet highlighter and illuminator, it's going to create more of like a wet look than like a sparkly look that most highlighters usually give out. And yeah, I'm just going to dot it across my face where I usually put my highlighter. So now that I've finished applying that highlighter, my face is literally glowing, which is a good thing because that's exactly what we were going for. I'm going into my eyebrows now, and instead of filling them in completely, I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm just gonna kind of fill them in, but not as much as I usually do for a night out or anything. I just want to like kind of make them a little bit more full. So now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. If you guys can tell, I already kind of have like this natural shadow going on in my eyelids, so I'm not going to be applying any eyeshadow. I'm just going to be going in with my mascara, and I'm honestly going to be applying that very lightly as well. I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and on the top and bottom lashes. So now just to finish off this look and go along with the wet and dewy theme, I'm going to be using a lip gloss. I'm picking up Kylie's lip gloss in the color Like. So you know how she said, I don't even know, there were like 3 lip glosses, and it was like, I don't even remember what they were, but like one of the colors was Like. So this is her Kylie Cosmetics Like gloss. So just to finish off this look completely, I am going in with a setting spray. For today, I'm actually picking up something new. I'm using my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So this does say skin mist, but it is a setting spray. You can use it after you're done with your makeup just to like create more of like a radiant look. Obviously the reason I'm using this instead of a normal setting spray is because it does have luminous properties. If you guys don't have anything that is like dewy for a setting spray, that's okay. Just nix. My cat just like attacked, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. Wow, it actually smells like really good too. This is the final look. I hope that you guys can tell the difference between my face now than when I started off this makeup tutorial. I can see in the mirror, I can totally see, and honestly, I'm really surprised. Like, I don't really do like a no makeup look. Usually I have time in the morning to like do some sort of makeup, so I don't honestly like do this kind of look often, and I'm really surprised at how much coverage I got with such little product. So from now on, I honestly don't even think I'm gonna want to use like my tinted primer. Like, I already have such a low maintenance like coverage like thing. I don't really use like a huge foundation like routine or anything, so mine is already so low maintenance, and now that I see what it looks like even without that, like I honestly might just start using concealer, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!